Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you again and again this strategy because always having new people asking me about how to use it and how to trade with this two strategy. But let's go to request the withdrawal and step by step how to use it. This is the broker Pocket Option. Pocket Option is a broker for binary options. If you are new and you don't know how to use this broker, I'm gonna explain right now how to trade it and set up. The first thing I'm gonna do is leave my account, request my withdrawal actually, and leave my account with let's go to check it out here, with the minimum deposit that I need to generate profits with this one. The minimum deposit is $50, okay? All you have to do is you register and open your account to use it. But when you're open your account, you don't see the charts like this. So let's go to change everything here. Let's go to hide this, and hide this. Delete this and delete this. So you're gonna saw the charts like this one here. The first thing we have to do is change the chart to Japanese candlesticks. The time frame for this strategy is for 15 seconds. We are gonna use 3 moving average, 1 period 30 exponential moving average. How I can find this moving average? Just click here and search moving average. Click it and it appears. Another moving average, or the second moving average, is period 200 exponential moving average. The third moving average is period 10 exponential moving average. Let's go to using to the stochastic oscillator, the periods by default, and let's go to using to the RSI indicator, the periods by default. So this strategy is simple actually. We are gonna trade only follow the trend. This means if you want to know what type of trend you have, for that reason we using the 200 moving average. If the chart is above of the 200 moving average, we have uptrend. But if the chart is below of the 200 moving average, we have a downtrend. Simple. So we trade follow the trend. Let's go to search only trades follow the trend with this strategy. But we trade when the moment they crossing these 2 moving average, the period 30 and the period 10. But we are gonna wait too in the moment they crossing the stochastic oscillator, crossing the RSI indicator and the 2 moving average. The stochastic oscillator needs go into the up direction past the period 50, looking here, the 50%, and start going down. That is a good signal. The stochastic oscillator we need is above or touch it the period 80 and crossing the blue line to the orange line in this case and start going down. And the moving average need to cross in the white to the yellow going to the down direction. So we are waiting here for this trade and trade for 1 minute. Okay, this strategy is really good, but only if you follow these steps that I giving to you right now. It's simple. We need to have patience, we need to wait, but the strategy is really good and many traders always give me a good comments about this strategy. But we need to respect the market and have patience and trade only if these facts complain and we take it the trade. So we have the first trade in the money, and let's go to search more opportunities to explain better this strategy. Remember, I request my withdrawal and I only gonna take it trades follow the trend. But we need to have patience because not all the time the market is gonna give in to you quickly trades. We need to wait sometimes for a few minutes or maybe a few hours before to take it a good trade with this strategy. We won one and lost one. So let's go to recover that trade. And that was because I entered with the wrong price. So let's go to take it here. $90. Be careful with this one. This looking good, this trade. We take it for a put, crossing, crossing, and crossing. Right now it's gonna take the reverse, but we only trade follow the trend. This one was a good one too. Let's go to search another one. This one looking good. It's an uptrend, so we are waiting for this, and for this. Let's go to see what happened. But if you don't have the confirmation, we don't trade. I don't trade, actually. I don't trade.
Oh boy.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
So guys, $1,400 in one trading session in 20 minutes was a good number today. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Test this strategy, practice this strategy, and never make it over trading. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.